Hello, I'm Nicholas Maxby.
And I'm Tyler Robillard. And today we are going to demonstrate to you the slap chop.
Hi, it's Fitz with Slap Chop. You're gonna be in a great mood all day because you're gonna be slapping your troubles away with the slap chop. Now look, here's a potato. One slap, you got big chunks for stews. Two slaps, home fries in a second. And look at this, when you add a mushroom, the more you do it, the finer it gets. You don't have to switch any blades. Now, you love salad, you hate making it. You know you hate making salads, that's why you don't have any salad in your diet. Watch this, one slap, salad. I love pizza too, but once in a while, get the veggies in. At least throw it on top of the pizza. You're gonna change your eating habits. Soup, coleslaw stuff, you want 5 seconds? 4 or 5 seconds, it's done. This tuna, looks boring. Stop having a boring tuna. Stop having a boring life. Add this tuna, put it here like this. Now you're gonna have a nice tuna salad. Look at this. You're gonna have an exciting life now. Look, here's a hard-boiled egg. One chop, you add the pickle, you add the green onion. And what you can do, you can mix things together. You add the ham, and you're gonna love this. You don't have time to make breakfast. Breakfast to go. You're gonna love my nuts. Watch this. Almonds, walnuts, comes with a cover. So you can do everything in the cover, all right? Or you can do it on the board, whatever you'd like. So easy, one finger. If I can do it with one finger, you guys can do it with your whole hand. Kids can do it. You know what they charge at the ice cream stores? $1 for toppings at the ice cream stores. Add a couple cookies if you want. So you can make it for 10 cents. Stop throwing your money.
First, in the video, the infomercial with Vince, he demonstrated how to make hash browns using a potato. So you place the potato down like that, and then you remove the cover. And then what is supposed to happen, so you're supposed to press it, and it slaps. I believe in the video he did it twice. One. See how it gets stuck? You have really big scalloped potatoes now. No hash browns. So this part of the ad is busted. Next up, I believe it's garlic.
Alright. Basically, they just did the same thing.
They did two, and then you're supposed to easily remove the
skin.
Skin.
So what we got here?
Part of the skin, but that's the outer skin.
Still have this here like that. Does not quite work.
No,
Also looks kind of disastrous.
it is disastrous. Almost looks as if the blades don't really move. Okay, so next we'll make the egg salad. So we'll start with the egg, which hard-boiled and deshelled. Place the egg like that, and you did it.
Plus, have just nice quick slices.
Okay, and then he added the ham, which we don't have ham, so we'll use bacon, because if it's a true slap chop, it should be able to do whatever, and also a big pickle. So we add that in there. Then we go, and not so much.
It did not work out anything like it did in the video.
No, not at all. In fact, it's all dirty.
It's a complete mess. Just does not chop it up right.
Actually, I'm gonna wash this off real quick. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the whole fruit. What we have here are some apples and grapes. One of the hardest fruits and one of the softest fruits. So, one apple and 1 grape. Nick.
2 soups or 1?
Let's do a whole bunch of times and see what happens.
Looks kind of squished up more than anything else.
Yeah, it looks inconsistent with the grape. We'll try it again. That time actually worked, because why? As I was doing it, I also did a twisting motion. In the video, they did not do that. Now, you're gonna love our nuts. So in the video, he put a whole bunch of nuts down, and then,
It was perfect for ice cream. You're supposed to save a lot of money just doing it this way.
because they charge you $1 for toppings at the ice cream store.
That's correct.
So in the cover, put the lid on. So, very well, kind of works out in a way. There's still some inconsistent
Got
pieces.
some bigger pieces there, but it's alright.
And then he also added a cookie, an Oreo, but in this case we'll have a maple filled cookie. Because a cookie's a cookie. So, that part works.
That did work.
That did work, I'm surprised. Not what I thought it was going to do. Now, we have an onion. And the onion is supposed to work the same way as the garlic did. But, he had it cut, so I'll just cut it now. Be careful, kids. Don't use a knife if you're not trained to. So, knife down. Press it, and the video, I believe he did it 3 or 4 times, so
That's correct.
1, 2, 3, 4. And it's just supposed to slide off there.
That's not sliding right off.
That is not sliding right off. In fact, you have more of a blooming onion now than anything.
Yep.
Alright?
The reason you're gonna slap away every day is because it's so easy to clean. 1, 2, and pops open like that, like a butterfly to clean.
Now, in the video, he does it pretty quickly, the assembly part, because, you know, other food processors, you can't take it apart, but with this one, I guess he does it 3 simple steps. So, 1, 2, and then opens it. But also, when you rewatch the video, he also takes off this black part. But you can see, in order to take off the black part, you gotta twist it, which is 3. Then you can open it like so, being 4. Then to take it back, to put it back together afterwards, you gotta fight with it.
Try to knock it back up again.
Alright, so now that's back together, and this piece right here, which stops the food from getting up into the actual mechanical part of the slap chop, it's got to be on a certain way, and doesn't really stay at all. And then you just add on this, and that.
It's very quick. It's a time saver for recipes.
Take it apart, washes, put it in the drawer, good to go.
It's easy. You just got one hand and chop.
So Nick, based on the results, what would you give the product out of 10?
Out of 10, I give it a 3.5. I think it's just a whole lot easier, a lot less mess and hassle just to do things just with a knife Just the old original way.
I agree. I mean, I do like the fact that it can chop nuts, and if you do a wrist twisting motion on it, the blades actually move. But that's kind of redundant, seeing as how the whole product is supposed to do it with one finger it moves, but as you can see, the blades kind of stay in the exact same spot. So, all in all, I would say probably give it a 4 out of 10.
That's all, folks.